today we're doing self-adhesive wallpaper. A few tools that you're gonna need though in order to do this. A level razor blade. I had an X-Acto knife in here, those work the best. Tape measure, and of course a squeegee. Okay, so first things first is what you're gonna wanna do is measure from wall to wall and make sure you have a center point. After that, go ahead, take your level, mark it from the top of the ceiling all the way down to the baseboard. Once you have your measurement, go ahead and cut your piece of material. This stuff kind of sucks to use, not gonna lie. This is from Amazon. You can find better products elsewhere, not gonna lie to you. I did not enjoy using this. The fabric actually wants to come off the sticky backing that they have on there. I think it's just a cheap quality and it's overpriced. Go ahead and apply that to your wall. Start on that line that you placed onto the wall and then go ahead and give it an overlap up to 1/2 inch. The less the better. You want to try to keep it as straight as possible. This can get difficult. And then as you're squeegeeing down, you want to reduce the amount of bubbles that you're going to have on there. Just take your time with it. You do not have to rush. This piece I actually had a real hard time with. I just ended up scrapping that entire piece. Luckily, I had extra, and I was accounting for 2 scrap pieces if I needed to. As you can see, I overlap on the bottom, and I also overlap on the ceiling. That allows for you to go ahead and cut the material in after it is placed. On the sides, I went ahead and took a full piece, and that wasn't going to work out because it's just a little sliver. I had to go ahead and rip the pieces down and put smaller ones on there, using the factory edge as the overlap. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. I have plenty more coming up. There's going to be a lot of time-lapse videos, and I'm actually going to be releasing some review videos as well. Some products that I've been looking at myself, I didn't see any reviews on it, so I went ahead and bought a few things, and I'm going to let you know how I like them. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, like the video, share it. Thank you. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.